How engineers do it. Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and in this video we'll see a little trick in Catia where we create a tangency relation between circle and some profiles easily using the constraint tool. So let me first create a profile. Now we have a 6-sided profile, looks like a hexagon. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a circle. We have a circle here. Now the general way or the normal way of doing it is we select the two entities and go for the constraint definition box, and here we define the tangency. So that's how we do it generally. So in order to save some steps, what we have here is a constraint tool. Double click on it and we'll select this and this here. Oops. We'll select this and this here. Go for tangency. So we have covered pretty much all the sides. So no, we haven't. So we can also give one more here. I can just give over here as well. Let's go for this one, right click, tangency, and that's done. That was another way. What we did was select the two lines here by clicking on control, go for the this one and go for tangency, and that's done. So that was an easy way of giving tangency relation between two different entities. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can one more thing I would like to add here is tangency relation can be given only to arc or circles, cannot be given to two different lines. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much, and stay tuned if you would like to see more, and if you would like to get notified you can click on the bell icon, and that's it. See you soon.